Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame. And what I wanted to point out was following up from yesterday's video. As we were looking for the daily close above here, we did not get it. We closed down. We did not, we did not even hold the 16.8 support. We went right to the 687 level that I said. And then in that video, I also said that if we came down here, more than likely the next candle we go is going to get a dead cat bounce into 17K and then roll on over. And that's literally what we got going on right now. You already had a little bit of resistance over here at 16.9, but maybe we'll get to 17K. And until we close a 4 hour above 17,000, we are not looking for higher such as 17,130 or 17.4 to 17.5, which I was looking for the actual short yesterday. And that actually came through. 17.3 to 17.5 was the area we were looking for. You should have been taking your profit now. Now, if you want to scalp along, you can. If you want to take a short, you can. Just you got to be patient as to where you want to do what scenario. Scalping along off of this with the stop loss underneath 16,887 is okay, because if that price does come under that, you know it's going to gun much lower. So you could take your stop here or have a plan to DCA into the long all the way down to 15.9 to 15.6, because that would be the next area we were going to come test into after losing the $16,687 with the 4 hour open and close. If we go sideways here, we can attempt to get above 17,000, but until we open and close above 17,000, we're not looking for 17.3, 4, or anything above like that. So that's what I mean by level to level. You have to be patient and for it to play out. The only thing I can confirm is bearish volume divergence at the resistance, so we should probably be coming back down to find some support before we pump back up. So that is what we're looking for on Bitcoin. Going to the 4 hour, you can see that we are under all our EMAs, and this right here is kind of like a bearish situation. Because when you're under all your EMAs, the possibility of us getting a strong sell-off from here is there due to the fact that all the resistances are above us. So a rule of thumb is if we can get above 16.9 with 4 hour open and close, you should be wary of your short bias and maybe try to scalp along to test into 17,135 to 17.3 to 5, whatever. And that's where you would want to take your profit. And then in this area is where you can take the scalp short, hoping to take your profit back out on previous day high to equilibrium if you're given the opportunity. So that's basically it. Right now, we're gonna probably do what I said yesterday, that if we came down this low and closed, we're gonna probably do a dead cat bounce into 17K and then roll over and then actually lose the 16,687 and come down, test into 16,200-ish, and then see if we can find support to go higher, or if we just break that down and actually gone down much lower. So that's what we're gonna watch out for today to see exactly what occurs with the close, and we can follow up. Let me go really quick to a daily and just review Dixie real quick, and then we'll go to Ethereum. Sorry for the lag, guys. I also got kicked out of my YouTube again, and I can't get into my YouTube before they text my cell phone. My cell phone is not taking any, like the AT&T network is not latching onto my phone. So I gotta wait another 2 hours. So it's 9 o'clock Eastern, and then I gotta call AT&T, and that's probably when I'm gonna upload our member video. I'm gonna just do the free side Rumble, and then I'll do members for YouTube later. Um, Here is Dixie. What I want to point out is that we're finding a little bit of resistance here at the 200. Okay, we didn't break out. We actually found resistance. If this wants to come back down today, I'm actually put this over. If this wants to go under 105 today, we have a possibility to go and get that lower level that we're looking for, the 103 to 101 level, and then we can look for higher. I'm gonna actually remove a few things out of here now. So let's get that out of there. We'll leave this here, and then I want to add this. That's fine. Is it gonna work? No, because there's no volume. Ha ha. Okay, so that tool is useless there. Um, Aside from that, what I would like to say is we are already giving a nice reaction from the 104 area, but coming into the 200 where this red EMA is under the purple, probably we're going to do a dead cat bounce and draw it out. Probably come down here, okay? Test that lower level, and then you can like now bounce around here and then ride it back up. Like exactly what I was saying of this red thing, this consolidation, but it looks like it's gonna happen 2 months later. And that's the beautiful part about these turtles, you know, these equities that are like so slow. So that's basically the gist. It's just I'm moved it a little bit to the right because price action is a little bit sluggish. But something like that is what I'm looking for. And I have my alert here under 104. So that way, if this hits down and goes to 103.90 and 101, you're going to see crypto, tech stocks, everything get a nice little rally. And then this week is kind of like in the air kind of situation. Next week, if I'm not mistaken, we're gonna go and get the Federal Reserve to go and explain their interest rate situation, like if they're gonna increase or not, and then do their little press meeting after. So it is gonna be an extremely volatile week next week. Don't lose your money beforehand. Try to be patient, and that way you have liquidity to trade because the scalping opportunities next week, I'm gonna be going hard, and I'm sure my members will be enjoying that as well because we're gonna go. The goal is to make a good chunk every day, so we're gonna be basically scalping pretty hard. Um, so that's all what I wanted to show you on Dixie. We're waiting for this to play out. I'll probably come into this 108 area for resistance, probably roll back over, and then climb back up. So I'm gonna just wait on this. Wait on it, mama. All right, and rest in peace, take off. Let's go back to Ethereum, and I can let you guys out of here after that. I was watching Dogecoin yesterday. We had a pretty long live stream last night, over like an hour or 2 hours. Lemons was there, few members, a brand new dude on the free side who actually is doing good at trading himself. So it was fun. We got to do that more often. Here is Ethereum on a daily. Let me turn all this off. Sorry about that. Okay. Here's Ethereum on a daily. What we're looking for is how this day wants to close. Same thing on Ethereum. I said on Bitcoin, if we come down, we're probably going to come back and do a dead cat bounce and roll over. So I can expect Ethereum probably get into 1265 and then roll on over, test out this area for the low and higher and see if it wants to go higher or not. Right now, as long as we're closing above 1232, and going sideways, the possibility of us getting to 1240, 1250 area to that 1265 area is there. Like the possibility is much higher than the possibility of us going lower as long as we hold above 1232. Here's the 4 hour chart. Last thing you can see is how volume is coming down, okay, on a trend line situation. And volume, I mean, price action is going up into resistance. That's bearish volume divergence. So this looks like the PDEQ, like around 1250 is an area to take a short. Be able to ladder in all the way to like 1280. So that's like $30. And then if you can do that in like 10x leverage, you can take your profit back at the 1250 when it comes back into it. If we don't get above it and you take the short from here, you want to start taking some profit at 1232 for sure, then 1217, and then the next one probably near 1200 to 1215.05, like our golden pocket. So you have a nice little ladder set up for your long. It's kind of making a bull flag right now too. So if it does sweep the liquidity to the downside, the snapback rally can be really quick. So don't get too bearish and not like take profit, because if you're just holding your position and it doesn't actually break down, you will go sideways and you'll have a very fast pop up, because enough people have shorted here and liquidity has built for this to just pop up to take all of that and then come back down to support, consolidate, and then continue higher to the next level, which is gonna be around 1340, 1320, 1340, 1350. All that area is the next level of resistance to get tested after we claim this area and confirm this as support around 1230. So as long as 1230 stays as support, we're going to go sideways and up. If we lose 1230 with 4-hour opening closes, I would be looking for the next level of around 1180, 1175-ish. And then we can go and see if we hold that to continue higher or not, or if we break down and look for lower support, etc., etc., etc. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. I will be talking to you guys soon, later today. Members, speaking to you directly. We will be having another scalp video, so I hope you enjoyed these last videos that I've done every day for you guys and hopefully making money. And if you have not joined us already, please like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications. If you're interested in our Discord group, please feel free to join the Discord server. The video's description below has the link to that server, as well as all our other affiliates and services that we provide. And yes, if there are any other questions or concerns, please leave it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I make the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have a great day. Trade carefully.